Brake pads replacement on Ford Focus. We basically need this tool. You need that. Goes in there. Close the cylinder. Piston of the brake. And you need this. You turn clockwise just to push in. Pretty much same, it's on the back as well. But I forgot to record when I take the caliper out. You got two bolts, basically the bolting in here. This is the bolts. There. T45 truck's head, and yeah, you take these bolts out, you put a bit of grease inside so it can have a bit of movement, natural movement. You clean this nicely with wire brush. That's it. Car was sitting for over a year. Discs are tiny bit rusty, but they're okay. No pinging, no nothing. And yeah, that's about it. Literally, if you go all the tools, all four wheels, just under an hour. For home, in a garage it's maximum 20 minutes. Actually on the rear you have to wind, you use that, you have to wind the piston clockwise to go inside. Brake pads, you just clip it in there. That's it.